Hello guys, hello. So how to do this cat thingy if it doesn't work?
Diya sa kaning ayaw gapil sa.
Well, if it doesn't work, then try it again. It will work.
Ayaw gapil.
Ano na lang pang
See?
Ayaw gapil.
If you are new
Elected officers lang, ayaw
here,
na gapil.
please like
Ang
and
elected officers lang, ayaw na gapil na
subscribe.
kayo. Ayaw na tanang iya pa.
Anyways, bye guys. That's all of the tutorial because they've been saying for me like
Wala mo gyapon mga tutorial. Samo ka mag-distract na.
where was that?
Ha? Treasurer ka kagaw kanya pun. Gawan niyo pun.
Where was
Ayaw na lang.
it? Not working.
Ayaw na.
Well, just don't double tap it, cause it doesn't work if you double tap it. You need to do it like this.
Ay, apel na sekretary.
Okay.
Normal na sekretary.
So you said
Okay,
fake.
ulang-ulaon. Ang
You
auditor, apel,
sure?
auditor.
You seeing this?
Oh, kana.
Well, just double tap it. I
Auditor, ayaw na.
mean, just do it again if it
Ah,
doesn't
ang kaya
work.
ka ng PIO,
Just
ayaw
like
na.
my thing. Okay, bye guys.